Rawson. I'm going to be the student PT showing you how to adjust these crutches and do some gait patterns. We're going to do the 2-point, 3-point, 4-point, and swing through and swing two gaits. So first off, we've already adjusted these crutches, but what you want to do is you want to first set the crutches about 6 inches in front of your little toes, and you want to have a 45-degree angle to your toes. Next, you want to make sure you have at least 2 to 3 fingers between the pads and your auxiliary. And we have about 2 right here, so this is a good fit. And you also want to make sure with your arms hanging low that you have the ulnar stylic process at the arm grips. Once you grab the arm grips, you want to make sure you have a 20 to 30-degree angle. Okay, so our first is a 2-point gait, and so you're going to move the crutch and the contralateral foot at the same time. This. That is a 2-point gait. And now I'm going to show you a 4-point, which is similar, but you're going to move the crutch and the contralateral foot only one at a time, so you're going to have 4 bases of support on the ground at all times. You need crutch, foot, crutch, foot, crutch, foot. You also want to make sure your patient is not leaning on the top of the crutches. That is 4-point. Next is 3-point, and this is you can either do a modified 3-point, or which is when the patient is partial weight bearing, or non-weight bearing, which is I'm going to demonstrate. You're going to have 3 bases of support at all times. Since I'm going to pretend my right leg is non-weight bearing, you're going to move both crutches at the same time, and then move the strong leg forward to the crutches. And you want to make sure the patient is not hopping; they're doing it in a smooth pattern. So the crutch. It's 3-point. And next we're going to do the swing through and swing two. And this is commonly used with a patient that has quadriplegia. They're in long leg casts, and I'm going to keep my legs as straight as possible to demonstrate that. The first is swing two, so you're going to move both crutches forward, and the patient will swing their legs to the base of the support. Swing two, and then swing through is you're going to do the same, crutches forward first, and then lower legs. But first we're going to go past the basis of support, and a paraplegic patient will probably have to adjust their hips a lot in order to swing those legs forward. That's the gait pattern.